Greetings, Earthlings. Today we're taking a look back at the stupid computer and a little problem that I've had from the beginning with this setup, and that is that it occasionally puts garbage out on the screen. That is supposed to be an escape sequence, and but it looks like the escape gets turned into an @ sign. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Maybe you can see it a little better now. This @ sign equals paren less than, whatever. So what I've done here is I've got the thing set up, and let me back up here with the camera. So I've got the setup here, and what I have sort of in the middle here, as you see, is an HP 4951C protocol analyzer. And so I'm going to try and catch this thing in the act and see if where the problem is occurring. So there's a serial output. This is a stupid computer over here. Serial output of that goes here to the OOD11, then passes through the OOD11. Serial output of that goes to the televideo terminal, but the HP protocol analyzer is sniffing the signal in between the OOD11 here and the televideo. So that will tell me whether, if I can catch it in the act, whether it's sending the proper escape sequence, in which case the problem is likely, the problem is in the televideo terminal, one way or another, or if it's not, if that @ sign happens in the somewhere back over here, which could mean it's in the OOD11, or it could be that it's in the stupid computer. Either way. So I'm going to fire up the protocol analyzer, and it's going to make a lot of noise because it has a fan in it. Okay. And so what I'm going to do now is, So what I do now is I go here and I go monitor line. Okay. And let's see. And of course, in this instance, it works perfectly. Of course. So let's start it over again. Okay, and here we've caught it. @ equals space T. So what I believe is that the @ sign is an escape character, that it somehow didn't read as an escape character. And equal space T is the stuff following escape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to examine the data. And I'm going to go to the end, roll up to the end. And it's quite a ways into it, because it actually ran fairly reliably for a while until it hit this error. So these errors show up rather infrequently, but they do show up. Okay. So we're looking for an escape equals space T. Escape equals space T right there. You see that? Escape equals space T. And so that got sent correctly, because that's an escape character, not an @ sign. So if that's the one, then the problem is in the terminal. Let's just look for any other possibilities. Here's another one, escape equals space T. Maybe that was the same one, just the way the display gets scrolled. Does it go one line at a time? Maybe. Yeah, I guess it does. Okay. There's escape equal quote X. That's not the same. Escape equals exclamation mark X. Escape equals $0. But I'm not seeing any @ signs anywhere. Right? So I think that was it. And that tells me that the problem is in the terminal. And how I'm going to fix it at this point, if I even can fix it, I have no idea.